Harvest Market sells a crate of Florida oranges for $12. What are two different unit rates that could represent the situation? So let's look at the first one. Find the unit rate in dollars per pound. So that means we're looking for how much would it cost for 1 pound. Well, I'm going to set up a proportional relationship. Since the pounds here is on the denominator, I'm going to put 1 pound here on the denominator. And I got 1 because the question is asking me per pound. So I know I'm looking for 1, right? Because the word per means 1. Okay? So I need to look at my proportional relationship. How do I scale from 15 to 1? Well, I scale by dividing by 15. Now I know with proportional relationships, whatever I do to one, I do to the other. So if I scale the denominator by 15, I'm going to scale down the numerator as well by 15. And if you grab your calculators and you do 12 divided by 15, right, because it's the numerator divided by the denominator, you should get 0.8, or in terms of money, that would be 80 cents. So that means it costs 80 cents per pound. Now, let's take a look at the second question. It says find the unit rate in pounds per dollar. Well, now I'm looking at how many pounds will it cost for $1. Well, let's take a look at my new proportion. Now I have money on the bottom. So that means I'm going to put my $1 on the bottom. Okay, well, how do I scale from 12 to 1? I scale down by dividing by 12. So whatever I do to the denominator, I'm going to do to the numerator. Well, what is 15 divided by 12? You can take a minute, grab your calculator, and plug that in. And when you do so, your final answer should be 1.25. So it's roughly a little over a pound for every dollar. And that is how you would do these two problems.